Are you overpaying for a used Toyota RAV4 or Honda CR-V? Right now, some of the smartest used car buyers are quietly skipping the most popular SUVs and scooping up overlooked models that deliver the same 300,000-mile reliability for thousands less. These vehicles don't get the hype, they don't dominate social media, and they rarely sell fast, but mechanically, they're absolute gold mines. Today, we're breaking down 6 reliable used SUVs most people ignore, why the market undervalues them, and exactly what makes them last decades instead of years. Mitsubishi Outlander GT. The Mitsubishi Outlander is one of the most misunderstood SUVs on the used market, and that misunderstanding is exactly why it represents such strong value. Focusing specifically on late second-generation and third-generation models from 2013 through 2021, the Outlander GT, equipped with the 3.0-liter V6 and 6-speed automatic transmission, stands apart from the rest of the lineup. The key here is selectivity. The 4-cylinder variants, particularly the 2.4-liter engine, have known oil consumption issues that can turn ownership into a headache. The V6 models, on the other hand, tell a completely different story. What makes the Mitsubishi Outlander GT genuinely reliable comes down to a few very specific engineering decisions that separate it from the rest of the lineup. The most important is the 3.0-liter naturally aspirated V6, paired with a conventional 6-speed automatic transmission, not a CVT. This alone eliminates one of the biggest long-term failure points found in many competitors. The engine itself uses timing chains instead of belts, reducing maintenance risk at high mileage, and relies on port fuel injection, which avoids carbon buildup issues common in modern direct injection engines. Owners who perform routine oil changes consistently report smooth, drama-free operation well into high mileage territory. Goldmine factor: Mitsubishi's weakened brand perception has artificially depressed resale values far below what the Outlander GT's proven V6 reliability actually justifies. Honda Passport. The Honda Passport occupies a unique position in Honda's lineup, and that uniqueness works heavily in the buyer's favor. Produced from 2019 through 2021, the Passport is essentially a 2-row version of the Honda Pilot, which means it inherits Honda's proven mechanical components without the added complexity and weight of a 3rd row. Under the hood sits Honda's well-established 3.5-liter V6, an engine refined over decades and known for smooth operation and long service life. The Honda Passport's reliability is rooted in Honda's long-refined mechanical formula. At its core is the 3.5-liter J35 naturally aspirated V6, an engine family that has powered Honda's larger vehicles for decades. This engine avoids turbocharging complexity and is known for smooth power delivery and long service life. It is paired with the ZF 9-speed automatic transmission, which in these later model years benefited from resolved software and hardware issues that affected earlier versions. When maintained with regular transmission fluid changes, this powertrain combination has shown strong long-term durability. Goldmine factor: the Passport sits awkwardly between the CR-V and Pilot, causing buyers to overlook it despite sharing one of Honda's most proven V6 powertrains. Mazda CX-3. The Mazda CX-3 proves that reliability doesn't require size or complexity. Built from 2016 to 2022, this subcompact SUV is based on the Mazda 2 platform and embraces simplicity as its greatest strength. Powered by a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter Skyactiv G 4-cylinder engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, the CX-3 avoids unnecessary engineering risks while delivering efficiency and longevity. The Mazda CX-3's reliability comes from simplicity rather than size or power. It uses the 2.0-liter Skyactiv G naturally aspirated 4-cylinder, paired with Mazda's 6-speed automatic transmission, a combination designed to minimize mechanical stress and complexity. Mazda's Skyactiv engines emphasize high compression and efficient combustion without turbocharging, which reduces long-term wear. These vehicles are also known for excellent corrosion protection on later model years, making them especially dependable in cold weather regions with road salt. Goldmine factor: Its small size turns off families and space-focused buyers, keeping prices low despite excellent reliability and efficiency. Toyota Venza. The first-generation Toyota Venza, produced from 2009 to 2015, is one of the most overlooked vehicles Toyota has ever built. Blending sedan comfort with SUV practicality, the Venza occupies a middle ground that confused buyers when it was new, but now works entirely in its favor. Built on Toyota's K platform shared with the Camry and Lexus RX, the Venza benefits from a chassis known for durability and ride quality. The first-generation Toyota Venza benefits directly from Toyota's most durable design philosophy. It is built on the Toyota K platform shared with the Camry and Lexus RX, giving it a chassis known for longevity and ride quality. Buyers could choose between two exceptionally durable engines: the 2.7-liter four-cylinder, focused on efficiency and simplicity, or the legendary 3.5-liter 2GR V6, widely documented for crossing 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. Both engines are naturally aspirated, avoiding turbo-related heat and pressure stress. Goldmine factor: a confused identity and poor original marketing led to low sales volume, keeping awareness and used prices surprisingly low. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 stands as one of the most well-rounded compact SUVs ever produced, particularly models from 2013 through 2022. Powered by the 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission, the CX-5 combines durability, driving enjoyment, and premium design in a way few competitors manage. The Mazda CX-5 stands out because it balances reliability with modern design, without sacrificing durability. Its 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine uses a dual injection system, combining port and direct injection to reduce carbon buildup while maintaining efficiency. This engine is paired with Mazda's 6-speed automatic, a transmission known for smooth operation and long service life. Owner data consistently shows CX-5s reaching 200,000 to 250,000 miles with routine maintenance, confirming Mazda's engineering focus on longevity. Goldmine factor: Mazda lacks Toyota and Honda brand cash, causing buyers to underestimate its long-term durability and keep resale prices lower than they should be. Lexus RX 350. For buyers willing to stretch their budget, the Lexus RX 350 from 2016 to 2022 represents the ultimate reliability-focused luxury SUV. While competitors chased turbocharged engines and complex drivetrains, Lexus stayed committed to its naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6, a decision that has aged exceptionally well. The Lexus RX 350's reputation for longevity is built around one of Toyota's final great naturally aspirated engines. The 3.5-liter 2GRF-KS V6 delivers smooth power without the stress of turbocharging and uses Lexus's D4S dual injection system, which combines port and direct injection to reduce carbon buildup and improve efficiency. This generation of RX consistently reports 300,000-mile longevity, paired with a refined drivetrain and conservative tuning that prioritizes durability over performance bragging rights. Goldmine factor: luxury branding scares budget buyers, even though long-term ownership costs are dramatically lower than German luxury competitors. If this breakdown helped you see past brand bias and marketing noise, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more smart used car buying guides, and comment below which of these SUVs surprised you the most. And now that you know what to look for, tell us, which one of these is going on your shopping list first?